The African continent is home to almost half of all the world's natural resources and those about 30% of the world's known mineral reserves alone. This has mostly been a curse upon its people for centuries because of the world's ruthless grid to steal it all. Here are 11 countries believed to have most resources. 11. Botswana is a landlocked country located in southern Africa, known for its stable democracy, economic prosperity, and abundant natural resources. One of Botswana's most significant natural resources is diamonds, which have played a pivotal role in the country's economic development, and also copper, coal, soda ash, and nickel. 10. Ghana, located in West Africa, boasts a variety of natural resources that contribute to its economy and development. Country is rich in gold, bauxite, diamond, manganese, crude oil, silver, and salt. 9. Tanzania, located in East Africa, possesses a diverse range of natural resources that contribute to its economy and development. Country is rich in tanzanite, gold, diamonds, gems, silver, and natural gas. 8. Guinea, located in West Africa, is rich in natural resources with vast mineral deposits, fertile agricultural land, and significant hydroelectric potential. It is also rich in bauxite, alumina, diamond, and gold. 7. Mozambique, located in Southeast Africa, possesses a diverse array of natural resources that contribute to its economy and development. Country is rich in aluminum, natural gas, crude oil, graphite, iono, titanium, apatite, marble, bauxite, bauxite, crawling copper, gold, rubies, and titanium. 6. South Africa. This southern African country is rich in diamonds, gold, iron ore, platinum, manganese, chromium, copper, uranium, silver, beryllium, and titanium. 5. Zambia. This southern African country is rich in uranium, silver, cobalt, copper, coal, lead, zinc, emerald, and gold. 4. Namibia. This southern African country is rich in uranium, diamond, zinc, lead, sulfur, salt, tantalite, and copper. 3. Niger. This West African country is rich in uranium, coal, cement, gold, iron ore, tin, phosphate, petroleum, molybdenum, salt, and gypsum. 2. Somalia. This Horn African country is rich in oil and gas, iron, uranium, gold, manganese, gemstones, and livestock. Somalia is believed to possess large untapped offshore oil and gas reserves. Exploration efforts are currently underway, especially in the marine areas of the Indian Ocean, and some research has indicated that the oil and gas reserves in Somalia are estimated at $4 to $8 trillion. However, commercial production has not yet begun on a large scale. Somalia has also the longest coastline in mainland Africa, offering potential for fishing and marine resource exploitation. The waters off the coast of Somalia are known for their rich biodiversity, including fish stocks such as tuna, shrimp, and lobster. 1. The Democratic Republic of Congo. This Central African country is actually the richest country in the world and is almost single-handedly powering the global tech industry with all the valuable resources that are found in the country. The DRC is rich in an abundance of copper, cobalt, zinc, tin, coltan, cassette, gold, lithium, bauxite, diamond, oil, and natural gas. Do you want to learn more about Africa, its people, culture, kingdoms, histories, stories, and more about the world every day? Please follow and like.